Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here Bandai VIGNA ZIRAH. And to be honest, I scammed myself again because as I told you before that I will stop buying Bandai because I always feel buying trash whenever I buy P Bandai, but since this is from the P Bandai Shopee store, which is on sale, and I bought it around 1,600 if I'm not mistaken, I was convinced and scammed myself into buying it because in my previous experience of building P Bandai, I always encountered, and I think this is the usual setup for P Bandai kits, that they will always include the runners and parts that are not really included inside, or not really included in the kit itself. So you will have so many unnecessary parts that you need to keep or use for kit bashing, or for myself, I always throw that. Anyway, let's check this kit and let's see how or what will this VIGNA ZIRAH has to offer us collectors. So, fangin viraan, los gets. So there we go, the VIGNA ZIRAH box here, which is in red monochromatic color, which is of course the traditional or the usual way of P Bandai box art. So it's a Reborn 100, and to be honest, I'm really hooked into collecting Gundam F91 model kits, and I think this is for the Crossbone series if I'm not mistaken. So there we got here VIGNA ZIRAH. So it's the Crossbone Vanguard prototype MS, and I already got the VIGNA GINA, the Vagina Sound model kit or mobile suit, which is one of my favorite non-Gundam line or kit from the F91. So now I had a chance on collecting this. So it's not that there's no significant features in this box, except for, of course, it's a P Bandai and the monochromatic color. The side of the box here, you just see the VIGNA GINA or VIGNA ZIRAH name and Reborn 100, and the other side of the box, another VIGNA ZIRAH. So it's a boring box. P Bandai has a boring box, to be honest. And if you open the box here, you get the manual. So the manual has more pleasant presentation than the box art. So again, it's the same picture from the box art, but it's just colored. Okay, so VIGNA ZIRAH, Bandai Reborn 100, and there we got again the terrible parts list, where we can see so many X marks, meaning that those X marks here will not be using, or it's not included for the kit itself. So you got so many trash, or if you're a kit basher, this is a holy grail for you. But for me, as a straight builder, this is just a trash. Just throw these things off, and it feels like I wasted money again for buying P Bandai kits. But Good thing I bought it from the P Bandai store, and it's so cheap. Whenever you buy in the P Bandai store, it's cheap, and it's still a good buy. But for me, again, it feels like I'm buying trash. Okay, so there we got the building sequence, and it's not that hard to build because to be honest, I already built so many Reborn 100 kits, and these are all easy kit to build, and they always get the uniform polycap. So there. And there I got the manual or the decal placement. So it's colored. Very nice. Okay, let's go with the parts here. So there we got this gray parts, polycaps, and clear pieces here. So you got two sets of visors or eyes. We got the Gundam eyes, and we got this visor type. But for me, I might use the visor type. Okay, so we got this parts here, gray parts, red parts. I like the shade of red here. It's very deep, and it's not that toyish kind of red, and it's not that shiny, which is a plus factor for the red shade of this kit. Okay, so we got this B parts here, but most of the parts here is not included in the kit. You just need the beam saber part and this part here. Bullshit. And there we got gray parts again. I think this one for the inner frame parts. Red parts again for the backpack. And we got this gray parts here. We got here red parts, gray parts, and the beam effect, the shield, beam sabers, and some stickers. There we got stickers for the eyes and yellow parts. And finally, got the multicolored rudder here, and water slide decals, which is a feature whenever you buy Bandai kits. They always include this water slide decals instead of the dry transfers. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build this kit, and let's go around this non-essential runner here, the runner B2, and we will not be using all of this, and we just need this 10 and 1 and 2 part here. And I think these are all for the VIGNA ZIRAH 2. So this is not an essential runner, to be honest. And we've got the polycaps, the traditional Reborn 100 polycap. So I have so many of this polycap, and good thing, because whenever you lose or crack a polycap from Reborn 100 kits, they all got the identical polycap, so it's good. Very nice feature for that. And we got here runner this runner F1 red part. So there's the F1 there. And we got this runner D1 for the inner frame parts. We got runner G1 for the gun parts and the feet part. So there we got Same parts for the red one, but the red pieces here, but we'll be using this gray parts here. Then we got runner B4 for this gray parts here, the shoulder joint parts, I mean. And we got runner C1 here for there we got the chest parts, but we'll not be using all of this. And there we got this runner F2 for the red parts again. We got this runner D2 and G2. These are all gray parts. And beam saber effect parts, shield and saber. We got this yellow color parts here, runner A2, and finally we got this runner A1 for the multicolored parts. And finally we got the visors. So we got two sets of this, the visor type or the Gundam eyes type. And then we got this water slide eagles and foil stickers. This one. Again, thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Reborn 100 VIGNA ZIRAH from Bandai. See you next time on the finished product review. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying goodnight, God bless, take care.